ipasuod man nila. Hi, sir. Mga kaigalaan ang sekretary ni BBM. Uy, pakiaskin mo buhok pa. Hindi ko kinanawag si BBM. Kabantay ko nag-chokit si BBM. Nagsunod niya, marihay mo buhok. Uy, I'm just joking. Say, kidding aside, what's your name, sir? June. May kahabis mo na ako, June. Ano sa'yo sabuni mo, June? Beta, Sir June, no? Tanang ko binaba kayo, yan, bro, wala. Ano sa ligay mo yan? Sus, ginoo ko, Maria.
Maria. Oh.
Maria. Jo. Naipat gihapon ka, Jo. Wait lang. Asa naman to? Uy! Sama sa nila. Sino magyan? John. Sir John, pila na mo katuig ni John?
6.
Oh.
Sa tupang ikaw, 7 years sa sad mo. 5, 6, 7. 6 years. Joe! Congratulations! Are you a seaman too? No, not yet. Sige, si manaulira ko. Thank you so much, Sir John. Last but not least, wow! Maluoy mo, uy. Tagay pa rin vitamins. Uy, grabe na sa tinang. Kasi naako na yung sobra-sobra. Nagatawa na, mas ninang. Serious, bayan ko na ngayon pa. Ako, wala ko yung sobra na vitamins. Ihakag yun na ko. Ano, nagatawa lagi ko. Lahat kayo sila batasan. Hi, sir. I'm just joking. Oy, what's your name, sir?
EJ.
EJ. Sir EJ, how are you related with the bride and the groom?
Soon to be my extended family, sir.
Sir, wala po ako naiintindihan. Ano po, ulit?
Soon to be my extended family as well.
Long.
Soon to be my extended family. You mean one of the...
Angel.
Kamu diha no kanang sa bumay mo ani no. Kanang mapagdalan no. What's your name again, sir? EJ. EJ, you have a girlfriend and that name of a girl is Angel, right?
Yes.
Kaswerte naman lang. Uy. Ay, Ginoo, kaswerte sa mga lalaki ron. Pagkanimalas sa mga babae. Ay, wait lang. Oy, Sir EJ, pila ka years na po?
6 years from 7.
Lo, running pa.
Baby Angel. Baby Angel. Uy! Ano ni sila? Ano ka buya-buya? Baka hindi na palibaw. Congratulations, Sir EJ. She is so pretty. She is wise. She is intelligent. No, grabe ko. Swerte. Uy, swerte sa si Angel di EJ, right? Thank you very much. Baby boys, palakpakan po natin sila. Boys, dali na po. Ano bang ihap na natin yung dahil cake? Please form a big circle here at the center. Big circle, big circle. Can I have the mic, sir? Hold hands po, hold hands. Hold hands po, hold hands. Come on. Hold hands, big circle. Dito ka, Sir EJ. Kapit kay Sir... Okay. Open the circle, open po, open. Big. Close the circle, close. Kanta. Bumuktaan, bumukanta. Tapas mo, Charla. Magluwa kayo. Let go. Very good. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, one of them will be the next groom to be. And that means we are going to select them by giving them the games this evening. And this game is called the Groom's Closing Eye. Now, halika dito. Thank you, Nay, Amping. Sir Groom RJ, dito ka sa gitna, sir. Sasamahan mo ang ating mga naglalakihang mga lalaki dito. Dito sa gitna, sir. Face at the crowd. Now listen, boys, for the mechanics of the groom's closing eyes will be this one. Our groom is at the center, right? So, groom, our eyes like this. Upiyong ka. You will cover your eyes like this. Ana, sir. Palihog, sir. Palihog, sir. Very good ka, Sir RJ. Ana, imubuhaton. Inig kanta, inig music, sir. Ana, imubuhaton, sir. Sayo sa kagjuta yan. Ana, ha? Okay, the music plays, sir. Sir Brian and the rest of the boys. Ang inyong buhaton, kung ano yung tukar ni DJ, musaya mo. You are going to dance while turning. Okay, nga naman ni DJ. Wala na. You're going to dance while turning. Ah, gapuang junod, Diyos. You're going to dance while turning. And when the music stops, walay mo lihok. Okay, and that means, sir, while you're covering your eyes, cover, sir, cover, it stops the music, you're going to use your hand, left hand, point finger, and you are going to choose the lucky guy. One of them will be the lucky guy who's soon to be the groom. Okay? Sige, alam mo na, sir. Alam na. Okay. Kaya naman, it's up to you, Sir Groom, ha? Come on, closer, boys, closer. Do you have any question? May tanong ba? Naiintindihan ba lahat ng mechanics? Very good. Now, boys, if you are ready, because we are so ready, can you please say, Ahoo! 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 Sila lang ang Lucky Brian. Say, open the circle, open, atras. Let the games begin. DJ, play the music! Toyong sayaw! Magparo-paro, G, lagi mo niya. Paro-paro, G. Whoa! Huwag muliho. Ilang ka ni G, ikaw muliho, G. Ikaw muliho. Sir, please select one. Saha, nag-slow mo pa may diri dapita. Wait lang. Nanabon ng mga boys, murag ni akik-ik na. Wala ipakita ang ipon. Asa na, sir? Mga kaigalaan. Our lucky guy is no other than Brian! Then we're done. Thank you so much, boys. Thank you for joining with us. Maraming salamat, Brian. How are you? Grabe, si Brian. May puro naman yung 16 anyos ko eh. Brian, may chance pa, Brian. Brian, is this your first time to be the lucky guy in the weddings? First time?
First time.
Hindi, first time. Oh my God, mauna yun yung signal or sign. Brian, halika muna dito. Nakuha ka muna dito. Lingkod ni Brian. Lingkod. Alright, with that, ladies and gentlemen, let's continue the games with the lucky ladies. Single ladies, pasok! Dali. Yung mga cute, uy, napagagtiniin. Muna, diha. Alright, sino yung girlfriend ni Brian? Ang composer di ay. Now, kung ko isip mo, bubungod lagi mo. Now, nagpakilala po ang mga kalalakihan. You, okay, by questioning them, right? Nag-question ko nila too. Diba? Their names and their relationship status. Ang buhato ninyo, ladies, to flex your names and your relationship status, you will be doing this one. Watch and learn. Iso mo kinunawan sa video si Kuno? Ano ha? Ato ba? Kung pasok mo, smile days to ba? Kung pikas din sa pagsikat. Ano sa pikas na? Kung ato ba, ladies to? Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Ann Curtis, single and ready to begin! Uy, nawas siya sa example. Kung may talent kayo in modeling, pwede nyo gamitin, pwede mag-tumbling. Example na to ako, Okay, so your names and your relationship status. Let's start with baby girl number 1.